Liberty and Economics Review and libertyandeconomics.com. I'm Nick Sorrentino. So we're looking at an interesting day in the market. As of this moment, the Dow's down 244.49 points, or 2.19%. It's the biggest drop since February, and the euro is taking a big hit as the Greece crisis continues to metastasize. There's definitely fear running through the market around the world right now. For the first real time in a few months, um, the Greek thing blew up a couple of months ago first, and now it's really starting to look particularly nasty. People are talking about Spain being next, or Portugal, and that remains to be seen. But regardless, the market today is reflecting a new fear. As they say, sell in May and go away. Now CNBC is saying, don't do that this year, and who knows? They could be right. They've got a 50% chance. Um, but historically speaking, it makes sense to sell in May and go away. Pretty much every time that you don't do it, it seems like that was the mistake. So just something to think about as we head into the summer here. Um, Also, what's interesting is apparently American factory orders are up, which is a good sign for the economy. Obviously, home sales look like they're up a bit. Um, so, despite the stimulus and all the nonsense coming out of Washington, I mean there may be some real growth there. UBS said they're going to hire hundreds of new people. I saw recently that Kellogg's is looking to hire. So if you're into cereal or financial services, maybe there's some opportunity there. Um, Regardless, it's funny as these real sort of fairly tangible sort of anecdotal bits, or more than anecdotal bits of some recovery are starting to assert themselves. What we're seeing is increased concern in the financial markets. Interest rates are going up. Everybody knows this. The Fed has committed to keeping interest rates low because they know if they raise interest rates, it's going to freak everybody out. Now people are starting to freak out anyway. So this may derail this uptick. Now the thing to remember is that during the Great Depression there were many upticks. Um, and I have asserted that we're not necessarily in recovery. We're bumping along a bottom. Uh, we may have started to turn up out of that, but um, with the debt situation such as it is, and with Europe looking increasingly tenuous, um, we may be looking at a cold winter to come. So we'll see how it goes. Until next time, I'm Nick Sorrentino.